Hey boys, it's 5 AM. It's time for an air filter change. Good job we have some society helping us. Let's go. We're off to a car show today, so you'll join me on the way. It's my car.
No.
Oh.
I've just looked in the direction.
To where?
No. Yeah.
You're very far away. Asking for directions casually at 5 AM. While a man changes his air filter casually at 5 AM. The ultimate guilt in my face where I say, this car's mine by the way. Thanks Mr. Edison, we're finished. Amidst the fuel crisis where everyone's putting fuel in their pockets and stuff, I made this one earlier, so there's no fuel crisis, just stop being cringe. How loud these cars are at 70 is why your dad and your granddad can't hear you. It's literally ridiculous. This is why everybody seems to be a bit deaf. I think I'm turning deaf as well. Things were just a bit louder way back when. So here are the Maestros with this awesome Skoda Felicia, I think. I'll say that because I probably haven't pronounced it right. You've got Ledbury there, two advantages, a really early Maestro there, a HLE. You've got Dan's 1.6 and then my 1.3. Look at them all, they all made it. One of the best convoys, so I've heard from a few other people at the show. So the Maestro is really representing. So we have arrived and the sun is out. So rather than walk around the whole thing, I'm going to give you like 10 epic cars. Not like they're all not amazing, but I'll give you 10 of my favourites and like a brief look around. So all the Maestros made it, absolutely top notch. I'm very pleased with that. Mimi did well. They all did very well. They've all turned up. No one's broken down. So we'll have a quick look around all of these. So here's the first one, the Fiat Coupe 20 valve turbo. This is actually a VT6. 6-speed gearbox. You can see as well it shares some of the stuff with the Plus, such as the white clock and the white dials. So this is one of my favourites because obviously I've got a Fiat Coupe. I absolutely love it. Brembos on the front, the Plus wheels, just brilliant. It looks like it's got a blue flame exhaust on it, and he's got the original Fiat badge. So that's really, really cool. So there is actually an MGSV here, which obviously this shares the lights with. But what a great car. So this was like the run-out model, the T-Reg, I think it's a 99. Yeah, so this was one of the run-out models. So all the other models had the 5-speed up until the VT6 and the Plus. It's even got the push-button start. Look at that. And the same seats as my car. Brilliant. Big 5-cylinder lump. One of these was on wheelie dealers as well. Look at how brilliant that looks. Another highlight for me, the C6. So this car pays homage to all the Citroens of old and is probably one of the nicest looking Citroens I've ever laid eyes upon. You've got the active spoiler, these wonderful wraparound lights, just looks amazing. Something I was considering as a replacement to my 75 when that gets into retirement. So you've got these badges as well, it's just little touches like that. And then you've got the frameless windows. Just a really, really nice car. I noticed as well when he had the bonnet up, there's a lot of space in between there, and this bonnet just lifts up and parts the Citroen logo. Really, really nice stuff. What an amazing car. Of course, I've been in a CX and a BX, so I'm pretty clued, well, not pretty clued up, but I'm pretty well aware of the eccentricities of Citroens. You've got the windows that drop, the half moons, which push up and down, lovely wood, heads up display on this one as well with it being exclusive, lovely cream leather, electronic handbrake, just brilliant. Just one of those interiors. That's a little cubby as well, which I didn't know about. Owner's really knowledgeable and has given me a good look around. What an amazing car. So tempted, but I don't think I do enough driving at the minute for that. On to the next one. A Astra Bertone Coupe or Bertone, whatever you want to call it. Look at that, absolutely brilliant. They're going to be a future classic, mark my words. Almost saved one of those from the scrapyard, but sadly had the certificate of destruction already on it. Lovely MGB, another one. MGB with a V8, it's got the big hump on it. That is a, don't know. Oh, look at that Spitfire. Amazing, even has the cover. Elan. Zodiac. That little Maxi. What a brilliant little car. One of these that lives near me in green. A future classic if I ever done saw one, SLK. So these basically, this for me is another highlight. I know my highlights might not be everyone else's highlights, but these SLK 230Ks for me are just future classics. This is a special edition. I didn't know they did that. I'm going to research to that and put some stuff on the screen. Nice license plate as well. Look at that, absolutely brilliant. Remember we had a sit in one of these when I was a kid. Truly something special. Obviously this one's a different edition, so it's got a different thingy, but they have the brushed aluminium dash panels. But yeah, this, if I was to place my money on any car being a classic, it already is a future classic, but it would be one of these. One hell of a Mercedes. So this is another one of these lovely 106s. That's a special edition. So this is the Junior. I believe it's a diesel, but look at that. There was the Graduate as well at Festival of the Unexceptional. I just think, oh, it's a 205. My mistake, idiot. What a great looking little car. Yellow wheels as well to match the yellow exterior. Look at that. So there we are, we're back. Another 2-hour drive, I think it was about 100 miles. I just got back in this thing just to move it along, just so I can box her in. Feels like I'm in civilized society. So nothing happened on the way back. No, nothing to report. She's not leaking. She's not pooping, she's not pooting, she's not doing nothing. So absolutely brilliant. Met some brilliant people today. Shout out Dan and everyone, brilliant. Jim and Patrick and everyone else. What a brilliant day, brilliant show. And I'm well pleased. Just a lot of comments were made about the big Maestro convoy. There was only about 6 of us, but still it was nice to see all 6 of them all at once. But yeah, well, Mimi has had a great show. So thank you for watching. Keep watching and subscribe for more of this.